Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be testing out Laura Lee's Slay Belle collection. Got the palette still wrapped. We've got the 6 shadow palette, 3 liquid lipsticks, and we also have 3 highlighters. There's a golden one called Warm and Toasty, a champagne type one called Sugar and Spice, and a pink one called Sweet and Saucy. Excuse my voice, I have a cold. Yay, winner. Go ahead and prime my eyes with MAC Painterly Paint Pot, my usual. And here's shadows up course. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with this shade called Bright Lights as my crease shade. And I'll go ahead and swatch a couple for you. I'm going to do Cherry Chocolate, Wrapped Up, and Jolly. And I'll go ahead and do Festive as well. Ooh, that's really pretty. And these are the swatches. Next, I'm going to go into that Cherry Chocolate shade, kind of the maroon shade, on a little detail brush. Just kind of put that in the crease as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and take that green shade, Wrapped Up, and put that all over the lid. I'm going to go ahead and take my finger to get it a little more vibrant. I'm going to go back in with my blending brush to blend between the two. And then I'm going to take the golden shade called Wish List and kind of just pat that in the middle. And go back in with that green. So there's no harsh lines. So far, I really like these shadows. They blend really nicely. I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye off the camera. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Eyes are halfway done. Let's go ahead and do the face makeup. For primer, I'm going to use the Too Faced Major Hangover Punishing Face Primer, Coconut Milk. Dry skin. Then I'm just going to do my foundation, blush, bronzer, eyebrows real quick.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing. But I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody, I need somebody to.
And we can go ahead and finish the under eye. I'm going to take that cherry chocolate shade underneath my eye. Throw on some mascara quick. I'm going to use the Lights Camera Lashes by Tarte. I'm going to throw on some brows, and then we continue talking about the collection, the highlighters, and the lipstick. Okay, now we can talk about the highlighters. There is 3. I'm going to go ahead and take the Sugar and Spice one, which is like the champagne one. Maybe it'll look better if I pour it out. It's definitely more pinky than it looks like in the jar, but that's okay. I like this. It's not super like boom right away. And the jars won't get messy because they have this thing where you can twist it and it covers the holes, which is really nice. Because a lot of loose highlighters don't have that. And then I'll go ahead and swatch the other 2, Sweet and Saucy, and then Warm and Toasty. It's like a golden brown shade. It might be a little dark for my skin tone, but I'll see. Those are the swatches of those. Very pretty. And now the lipsticks. We've got 3 of them. We've got Kiss Miss, Pouty and Nice, and Rose Icing. The 2 first ones are matte, and then the last one, Rose Icing, is a shimmer. So I'll go ahead and swatch them for you. The shimmer, and then I think this one's Kiss Miss. Yep, and Pouty and Nice. Swatches. I'm gonna go ahead in with the shade Pouty and Nice. It's really pretty and comfortable. And then just because I'm gonna go ahead with the Rose Icing shimmer over it. I really like these glasses and the lipstick. They feel super comfortable. I'm going to go ahead and give my face some setting spray, the Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow, one of my favorites. And here the final look is. I really enjoyed the palette. The colors are definitely Christmassy. And the lipsticks are really nice. The highlighters are really nice. You can definitely build them up. I think this whole collection is definitely a win. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. And hit the bell notification. That way you're notified every time I drop a video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.